Hello, I'm the Budget Modeler and this is a very different video. I'm doing a bit of one-to-one building, namely moving my shed across to the other side of the garden. The reasons are twofold. One, the good lady wants to see her garden. Two, it gives me the opportunity to A, tidy the shed, B, sort my crap out, and C, get it how it should have been in the first place. As you can see, it's a crap hole. Just wasn't bothered. It leaked, it's stacked. But as long as I could model, I didn't care. And it was starting to get to me. So the wife gave me the impetus to get it done. The amount of crap and shit in there is ridiculous. Time for a huge clear out. So now you've seen inside, let's get this place emptied. There we have the shed empty. It was a bit more than that, but whoop, swing back holes. Anyway, let's crack on with ripping out the Eternals, shall we? And apologies for the topless. It was very hot that day. A quick change of camera angle. Sorry. And another change of camera angle. Oh good lord, that is not pretty. And there we are, all done. I did film us taking it down, but the file was corrupted. Sorry. All we've got left is this. And under there is a sleeping hedgehog. Anywho, next episode will be the shed going up in the new location. Tune in to see how it goes. Bye for now.